Winton School. I'm Kaylee. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 16th of March.
Okay, Rahina means we announce tidiest class for the week. Drum roll, please, for
Room 6, 7 and 10.
Congratulations. And remember, keep your classes tight. Pizza and lunch reward for someone at the end of the term.
Right on, let's get into te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is ngutu, which is te reo for lips.
Ka pai. Okay, techie team news. Your meaties are now at lunchtimes on Mondays in room 13. Thank you.
Central Athletics looks off today, but a big shout out to all the Winton athletes.
Go Winton! Library news. The library is open for returns, browsings and issues from 12:40.
Check out the latest colouring competitions and a big lead up to the book fair next week.
The library needs your help. The colouring and competitions out and about Thursdays as advertisements for the book fair.
There are three different pictures to choose from, and the librarians will pick up the most eye-catching entries for prizes.
Please remember to win a prize. Only entries for one person colouring.
Kia ora. Hi, vis vest. Nearly all of us are wearing them to and from school. Everyone has one. It's part of the uniform. Thank you.
If you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Here we the Kiwi show. Writing news. Get those pieces of writing into your teacher and win a brand new fishing rod.
And your writing will be published in the New Zealand Fishing Magazine. And get that writing into your teacher by Friday. Kia ora.
Mega Math Inter-House Maths Challenge starts today.
All year 1 and 2 students who knows that a circle is and can be add 2 plus 2.
Get in the hall at 12:45 after you've eaten your lunch. Bring a pencil and your fingers. Counting.
All the houses need your points. Year 3 and 4, you're on Wednesday.
No birthdays at Winton School today, so that's all today.
Everyone here from the N.E.W.S team, ka kitea popo.
Haere rā, Winton School.